'Tis the seasons to be jolly. Happy holidays. I welcome you back to another show from Diane's Kitchen Cooking Channel. Now, today I'm feeling festive and I am making today sorrel drink. So I am going to show you how I make my sorrel drink. Now here I have 2 pounds of sorrel, washed and clean. Now I am going to move over to the pot where I will add the sorrel and ginger and sugar to make my sorrel drink. So come over with me. First, I will add some sugar. I will add about 4 spoons of sugar. Then my ginger. I will stir and allow this to boil, after which I will add my sorrel. I will allow the ginger to boil for about 4 minutes and then I'll add the sorrel. So now the ginger is boiled, I am going to add the sorrel. Look at that. So I will allow this to boil for about 4 minutes and then turn off the stove and allow it to cool. So look at this. Look how rich this is. Man, sorrel is loaded with vitamin C and is a known anti-inflammatory, antibacterial drink. Also, it protects your heart and circulatory system. Look at this richness. Goodness. Sorrel is also used to make wine, cakes and puddings. So have your sorrel drink during the year and stay healthy. So when this is cool, man, I know this is going to be a refreshing drink. So when this is cool, I'll get back to you. Now this is a non-alcoholic sorrel drink. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share the videos with your family and friends. Have a happy holidays, my friends. One love.